Made the big mistake of forgetting my Busch lights up in my pickup during a North Dakota October blizzard. Oh my, knee deep. There's the pontoon boat, nicely ready for winter since we had to take it out of the lake 2 days ago, 3 days ago, something like that. There's my garage. There's my fish house, can't use it. Lake's not froze yet. Terrible, terrible rookie mistake on the beer. Now I'm paying the price. There's my truck. I parked it up on the road because I knew I wasn't going to get up that hill. Woo. Holy balls. Shit. Doors froze up. All right, I'm in. Oh, there it is. Oh, worth the struggles. Yeah, this is no bullshit blizzard here. And the trophy buck hunter 30 pack of Busch Latte. Rookie mistake on the Busch Light. It's the kind of thing that could kill a man if you're not careful.